Welcome back to Everyday AI Made Simple. Grab your drink of choice and let's dive into today's topic. The AI landscape is experiencing a transformative period marked by significant advancements across multiple fronts, as revealed in this November 2025 intelligence briefing. The developments span new model capabilities, strategic partnerships, and real-world applications that are reshaping how AI integrates into daily life and specialized sectors. In the realm of AI models, several major players have released powerful new versions that demonstrate remarkable improvements in reasoning and human interaction. OpenAI's GPT 5.1 represents a significant evolution, featuring both instant and thinking variants. The instant version employs adaptive reasoning for quick responses while maintaining accuracy, while the thinking version delivers clearer, less technical explanations for complex tasks. They've also launched GPT 5.1 Codex-Max, which can handle extended coding projects through a process called compaction, enabling it to work coherently across millions of tokens, a breakthrough for project-scale refactoring and multi-hour agent loops. xAI's Grok 4.1 has made remarkable strides in emotional intelligence and reliability, marking a shift from its previous wildcard personality to a more empathetic collaborator. In blind tests, users preferred it 64.78% of the time over its predecessor, and it achieved top rankings in text style and emotional intelligence benchmarks. A telling example of its improved empathy is its response to, "I miss my cat so much it hurts," where it offers a deeply understanding reply about the waves of grief and empty spaces left behind, demonstrating significant reduction in factual hallucinations while maintaining emotional connection. Google DeepMind has introduced Nano Banana Pro, built on their Gemini 3 Pro foundation. This system excels in image generation and editing, with particular strength in creating context-rich visuals, accurate text rendering, and multilingual capabilities. It leverages Google search knowledge for enhanced accuracy and includes a verification system through SynthID digital watermarking, allowing users to verify AI-generated images through the Gemini app. The platform landscape is evolving beyond simple chatbots into comprehensive workflow solutions. OpenAI has launched ChatGPT Atlas, a macOS web browser with integrated AI capabilities including smarter search, a summarization sidebar, and agent mode for task automation. The browser features a refreshed UI with vertical tabs and iCloud passkeys support. Meanwhile, Perplexity has released Comet for Android, marketed as the first truly AI-native mobile browser, offering voice interaction with open tabs and smart summarization across multiple pages. In the productivity space, significant integrations are occurring. Google Workspace now incorporates Nano Banana Pro for enhanced visualization in slides, enabling single-click conversion of text-heavy presentations into compelling infographics. Microsoft 365 has partnered with Anthropic's Claude models, Sonnet 4.5, Haiku 4.5, Opus 4.1, for advanced data analysis and spreadsheet manipulation within Excel, including formula generation and data analysis capabilities. Strategic alliances are reshaping the industry's infrastructure through massive financial commitments and technological partnerships. A notable trilateral partnership has formed between Microsoft, Nvidia, and Anthropic, involving $5 billion from Microsoft, $10 billion from Nvidia, and $30 billion in Azure compute capacity from Anthropic. This collaboration ensures optimized Claude models for future architectures and widespread enterprise distribution through Microsoft's platforms. Google has strengthened its position in Asia by opening its largest AI infrastructure hardware engineering center in Taiwan, deepening ties with TSMC and signifying stronger U.S.-Taiwan economic relations in this critical sector. Real-world applications are showing promising results, particularly in healthcare. A JAMA study of the Why Not EDN system, a Llama 3-based assistant for ER discharge documentation in Korea, demonstrated significant improvements in efficiency and quality. Documentation time was reduced by over 50% while maintaining high standards of completeness and clinical utility. The study emphasizes the importance of assessing patient understanding and safety beyond mere clinician efficiency. The adoption of AI among younger users presents both opportunities and challenges. Pew Research shows that 85% of parents report their children under 12 watch YouTube, with daily use among children under 2 increasing from 24% in 2020 to 35%. About 10% of children aged 5 to 12 use AI chatbots, with usage increasing to 15% for ages 11 to 12. However, parental concerns persist, with 80% believing social media's risks outweigh its benefits for their children. In the market sphere, Nvidia's impressive Q3 results, showing 62% year-over-year sales growth, have reinforced confidence in the AI sector's momentum. CEO Jensen Huang identifies 3 concurrent platform shifts driving demand: accelerated computing, generative AI, and agentic/physical AI. These results have been interpreted as evidence that the AI revolution is far from its peak. 4 key trends have emerged that define the current moment in AI development. Personality becoming a key differentiator in AI systems as base intelligence becomes standard. Operating systems emerging as the new battleground for AI integration. Ecosystem consolidation through major alliances, and diversification of AI applications across specialized sectors. These trends suggest a maturing industry that's moving beyond basic capabilities into more sophisticated and integrated applications across all aspects of computing and daily life. The developments indicate a rapid evolution in AI technology, with impacts ranging from personal computing to enterprise solutions and specialized professional applications. The formation of major strategic alliances and the focus on real-world implementation suggest that the industry is moving from theoretical possibilities to practical applications, while simultaneously addressing concerns about verification, security, and societal impact. What's your thoughts on kids' usage of AI chatbots? What age should they be introduced to this new technology? Drop a comment below the video and let me know your thoughts. That's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this AI news update from Everyday AI Made Simple. If you want to see more content like this, hit subscribe and click that bell notification to get notified when I post new content. Thanks for watching.